The transformation from wolves to domesticated dogs has led to fascinating adaptations in hunting techniques among different breeds. Wolves, known for their pack hunting strategy, rely heavily on social cooperation and communication to tackle large prey. Domesticated dogs, though varied in size and purpose, have inherited these instincts, adapting uniquely to roles such as herding or hunting small game. Breeds like the Labrador Retriever showcase refined retrieving skills, while the Beagle excels in scent tracking, illustrating an evolved focus from direct pack hunting to specialized tasks. This evolution highlights both shared origins and diverse adaptations, revealing the intricate balance between inherited wolf instincts and tailored roles in human society.